Alright, so here I'm just showing some light caustics through water that I've been working on for the past week. So I'm gonna jump in and switch a few things around here. If you saw my last video, I last had just an ocean texture or shader that I'd worked on. This is mostly the same setup. I've got the noise off on here for now, just because the caustic effect shows up better without that particular aspect of it. Real quick, I'm gonna disable the caustics for a second, just to kind of show what we've got here. So yeah, the caustics that I'm rendering are all down on this texture under the water here. Turn the water off for a second. So turn this back on real quick. And then I can take the number of... So it's if there's just like one wave going through here. I honestly didn't think I was ever going to be able to get this to work, but I did, which is really nice. Real quick on here, I'm going to pause for a second. Alright. Sorry to pause for a second there. So I'm going to re-enable the noise on the shaders real quick, just to kind of show what that effect looks like. Unfortunately, I have to change these settings in the shader for the water surface and for the texture underneath separately. I think that's a limitation in Godot, at least for now. But hopefully in the future that'll get worked out, or maybe I can find a workaround. I can get a centralized control over these. Oops. Yeah, let's turn. There we go. So you can see why I didn't have this on initially like this. It's just a much more subtle effect, because there's so much noise on these waves that it's more of a general shimmer under the water. Again, let's turn the water off for a second. Let's see, turn the caustics off for a second. Yeah. Another thing you can see, this is because of the way that I'm calculating the caustic effect here. Get a bunch of triangles. I think that's acceptable for now. I might find a way to smooth it out later. Let's see, let's turn the noise off again. When the noise is off, it's actually not super noticeable because it's such a smooth effect. I think actually the how unnatural that looks might be more due to the way that I was calculating those waves before, and that they were just a noise texture. So they're kind of unnatural wave behavior. So it's more natural methods for generating the waves. I think the caustics will look more natural. What I actually want to be working on for this is for stream. Might be able to bring up here actually. Let's see. Oh, that's the wrong one. Yeah, it's kind of in the middle of the area here, but this I don't have any caustics on. This is more closer to the actual scene I'm trying to do. I created a flow map to get this to work, but I'll probably do a separate video on that once I get the caustics working. But yeah, for now it's just the ocean. I I based this, this technique is based on, the one by, let's see, it's, Evan Wallace did a WebGL, um, Caustics demonstration, I think it was like 9 years ago, but, I looked over his code and his explanation of how it worked and adapted that approach here. Um, if people are interested, I could do a tutorial video after I've cleaned up some of my code, because it's pretty bad right now. But yeah, that's pretty much what I got. Um, Alright, well, thanks for checking it out.